Welcome to the video, where today we dive into a common problem that newcomers to Blazor may encounter. When rendering components into HTML tags, you might notice a peculiar identifier like _BL_E4 F3714 A729449F 49C79 90762626 ed41 appearing in your code. But fear not, as we will unravel the mystery behind this seemingly random string of characters. The solution to this problem lies in understanding that the identifier, such as underscore and content, in C15577782241, is simply a tool used by Blazor and other frameworks like Angular to manage and control DOM elements. It helps Blazor keep track of elements and their associated components, ensuring smooth interactions and updates. Just like how each house on a street has a unique address, each element in your web app is given a unique identifier to maintain order and functionality. In summary, Blazor's mysterious identifiers are just a way for the framework to work its magic behind the scenes. Understanding their purpose can help you navigate the world of web development with ease. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy coding,